In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to permanently delete your YouTube channel using your phone. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, the process is the same, so follow along carefully. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone. Step 2. Select the correct channel. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. Now tap Switch Account and choose the YouTube channel that you want to delete. It's very important to select the correct channel or you may end up deleting the wrong one. Once you've selected the correct channel, tap your profile picture again. Step 3. Open your Google account settings. From the menu, tap on Google Account. This will take you to your account management page. Step 4. Go to Data and Privacy Settings. At the top, swipe left or navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find the section titled Download or Delete Your Data. Under this section, tap Delete a Google service. Step 5. Delete the YouTube service. Now you'll see a list of Google services connected to your account. Look for YouTube and tap the trash bin icon next to it. You will now see an option that says, I want to permanently delete my content. Tap on it. Step 6. Confirm deletion. You'll see a list of items that will be deleted, including your videos, playlists, comments, history, and more. If you want to proceed, check all the boxes to confirm that you understand. Then, tap Delete My Content. A final confirmation will appear, asking you to type your channel name or email address exactly as shown on the screen. After typing it in, tap Delete My Content one last time. And that's it. Your YouTube channel will now begin the deletion process. It may take a little time to fully remove everything, but the action is permanent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.